Can you tell me your true feelings about John right now?
Do you really want the true feelings?
Yeah.
The first day I called John, I had no idea who John was. And I told him what I wanted to do. We ran across this building.
It didn't look nice when we started, did it?
No, I didn't want to buy the building because it was junk.
Yeah.
But it was a building that could handle the work that we needed to do. Well, originally we were going to take the roof off. I talked to 2 other contractors. That's the way they wanted to do it. We just couldn't have that. When I talked to John, they says, leave that roof on there. Let's reskin it. We got this system that works very well. And we never lost a day of production. It's the best thing we ever did. They did an excellent job, did everything they said they were going to do. We've had absolutely no problems. I told you to turn that phone off.